Welcome to today's Vyom Command Center demonstration. Our GCS offers unparalleled customizability, allowing manufacturers to tailor its look, feel, and features to showcase their device's unique capabilities. We'll explore how to create custom commands for your robotic fleets using a centralized management platform. This is a ground control station. It serves as a central hub for managing and monitoring your robotic operations. Here you'll find a suite of pre-existing commands like the weed detection and spray command, which is suitable for agricultural applications using capabilities like SLAM, search algorithms, navigation protocols, and more. To upload a command, we need to create an XML file. Let's create one. As you can see, the commands are being pre-established here, and I'm creating a behavioral tree. Once created, you can upload this XML to Vyom HQ to define your command structure. I'm adding the takeoff altitude, X and Y coordinates, and radius for a clear landing zone. This is how an XML file looks like. Now let's check out our command library. To create a new command, click on the Create Command button and upload the XML file. Post uploading the XML file, the system will fetch all the events like takeoff, navigation, or land. Now I'm naming my command. Let's call the command Navigate to command. You can customize each command parameter to align with your mission specifics. For example, for takeoff, we can fix the altitude and lock it. You can also unlock it based on your requirements. Now let's do the same for navigate. You can either lock and unlock it. Once you're sure of it, you can create a command, and now it's visible in the command library. All commands are now accessible within the GCS and can be directly implemented from here. You can override the settings if you haven't logged them in the GCS already. You can edit takeoff altitude, navigate position, and landing radius. I'm now going to edit the landing radius to show you how it works. And that's it. Now you can save changes. In the next video, we will see this command in action with a real Vyom powered drone.